the winner of Miss Universe 2000. Let's welcome the designer of the show, none other than Robert Naurem. Yes, he's one of the most prominent faces in the world of fashion industry in Manipur. He's been awarded the most inspirational designer in London, youth icon in handloom and textiles, and has done shows in Milan, Italy, Dubai, and many other international destinations. The design has been worn by many Bollywood celebrities as well. Yes, he has a huge contribution in showcasing Manipur fashion all around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Robert Naurem.
To be here in Shanghai. As we said, it is the Oneness Festival. We're here to celebrate Manipur in all its glory, with all its tribes, all the people, and I am very, very grateful. I leave with a heart full of gratitude for the love, the hospitality, and the warmth that I have received from the Manipur people. So I just want to say that Robert has been chasing me for almost 7 years.
I see.
To come to Manipur to the festival and to be able to walk for him.
Okay.
And somehow or the other, our dates used to always not work out. But I think my trip here to Churachandpur was a special one. This is why everything aligned and I was able to organize the dates and to be here. And I want to say that this is my first trip, not just only to Manipur,
right,
but whole of Northeast India. I have never been.
Great, wonderful.
So I just want to share that my father was in the Indian Air Force. He was based in Imphal in 1970s.
Oh, that is wonderful.
That time he told me there was no road to go from Imphal to Churachandpur. It was dirt road. He said it used to take 2 hours to reach Churachandpur. So he was so excited and he told me so many stories that when I came and I landed, I was already really excited.
That's a big news.
It's a big news. I was very excited to see how much everything had changed.
Okay, wonderful.
And I think one of the most important things that I've experienced while I've been here is the infrastructure that has been created for the communities, even the Shanghai Festival. I think it's a most amazing idea and concept to unite not just the towns but also the tribes and the tribal areas to bring them together. I went for a boat ride in the Loktak Lake, and while I was in the boat ride, I already thought of a film script in the Loktak Lake. So I would love to be able to bring Bollywood to shoot in Manipur, and I think today the infrastructure is there, the government, the corporation, the municipality is providing the infrastructure, and it's wonderful for us who are from Bollywood to come to Manipur to see how amazing the state is, and they are so open to opportunities that it's wonderful to come here to support not just the handicrafts, the textiles, the tribes. Robert has been, I think, very key to putting Manipur on the map worldwide, with all the efforts that he has made over the year. I mean, it's so beautiful. Today I'm wearing Shanghai for Shanghai Festival, so I feel very special. I think I hear somebody told me that maybe Miss India this year is coming to Manipur. So I think this is amazing news. I think it's, I think definitely Manipur is taking the steps that it needs to really come to the forefront, to lead for all of Northeast India states, to really lead. And I think the young people are very involved. I had Robert's nephew, who is wonderful, also involved with Robert in his work. He's been looking after me, young person, Rajat Male, and he's been everybody in the world, especially in India, knows the Manipur handlooms, knows the Manipur handicrafts. I think that it's very important for celebrities, for people to come here, to be able to wear these beautiful things, to take it to the rest of the country, to take it around the world. And I think, like I said, I think Robert has been such a special person to do that for Manipur for all these years. So I know that I have taken so many pictures, and today when I walk the ramp, I feel so special and so blessed to be in this land. It's been really, really wonderful. And not just to experience being in the city, but also experience I had yesterday, let me pronounce it right, but for tea time from the street we got Shinjumora, correct? Yes, for tea for my snacks.
Have you tasted?
Yes, yesterday.
How do you find it?
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. So I think for me, what I love is the things that exist. Like I went to the INA Museum. I was very impressed at how beautifully they had preserved our culture and the history. Like really clean, beautifully preserved. And I think that this is something that's so important, right? To be able to create this kind of ecosystem in order to get more people to come to Manipur, to give them more reason to do that.
Yes.
And today when you're able to go out there and talk about the experiences you've had, you draw more people to come in. So which is why I'm saying I think Manipur is on the right track in order to how to promote itself as a wonderful state that more and more people need to come to.